Good morning, children. Today our topic is ascending order. Ascending order. See here, ascending order means what? Small number to big number. Small number to big number. They will be giving the numbers in jumbled way. Then you have to set the numbers from the smaller number to the bigger number. See a smaller number. So when we are writing numbers, no, see here, 0 is the smaller number. 0 after 1. Then 1 after big number is 2. 2 after big number is 3. 3 after big number is 4. So like that we are going on writing the numbers. Here in ascending order, they jumble the numbers and give. See here, for example, 8, 2, 4, 7. So you have to, here these are single digit numbers. Here you have to arrange this 8, 2, 4, 7 in ascending order. Ascending order means out of these numbers you have to choose the first one, smallest number. Then after the next number. Then the next number. Is it clear, children? See here, 8, 2, 4, 7. See, out of 8, 2, 4, 7, which is the smallest number? 2. 2 is the smallest number. See, when you are writing in your check roll book, please write each number in one box. After writing here 8, keep one dot and leave one side box. Then write 2. And again keep one dot and leave one box. Here 4. Again keep one dot and leave one box and then write the 7. Is it clear, children? If you leave one box means it will be very clear for you. Is it clear? So after writing these numbers, now you have to set these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. So out of these, which is the small number? 2. So then on the top of the 2, just you have to keep 1. So this is the first small number and circle like this. In your book also, when you are doing the PDF work in your class of book, you also write each number in one box, leave one box and write the numbers. And then when you are writing the ascending order, first you have to circle all the numbers like this, so that you will get an order. Afterwards, by seeing this order, you can write it down. Is it clear, children? So first, 2 is the smallest number. Then 2 after, which is the smallest number? 2 after 3, 3 after 4. So 4 is the second smallest number. So on the top of the 4, you just write 2 and then circle here. Is it clear, children? So 2, 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So 4 after 7 is the next smallest number. So on the top of the 4, just you write 3 number. Is it clear? And the last one remaining is 8. So 7 after 8. See, now you got the order. So after seeing this order, here you write AVO. AVO. AVO means ascending order. AVO means ascending order. So what is the first one? 2. Then again keep one dot and leave one box. After 2, what is the second one? 4. Then keep one dot and leave one box. 4 after 7. Then keep one dot and leave one box. Then fourth one is 8. See, this is the ascending order. See, here they have jumbled the numbers and given, and by seeing this, you are arranging them in ascending order. Is it clear, children? See another example. 45, 62, 24, 93. See here you are having 2 digits. So here also while writing 45 in box, keep one dot, leave one box. Just I am drawing one line so that you won't get confusion. Is it clear, children? So 45, one box, then keep one dot and leave one box. 62, one box, again keep one dot and leave one box. 24, one box, keep one dot and leave one box. and then you write 93. So now you have to arrange 45, 62, 24, 93 in ascending order. See, some of you while seeing only you can see which is the smallest number, means 24 teacher you will be saying. But some children they cannot understand. They will be getting confusion of which number we have to write. So no problem. See for comparisons. What I told in comparisons. So whenever you are comparing between number and number, if you are having any doubt, what I told, just to underline the first number. Underline the first number and compare the first numbers. So here also the same thing you can do. See here, underline the first number 4. Here 6. Here 2. Here 9. Is it clear, children? See how you are underlining for comparisons. The same way you have to underline the first number. So then you will get an idea. So here 4, 6, 2, 9. So you have to compare between these numbers. So out of these, which is the smallest number? 2, 4, 24 is the smallest number. So then just you keep 1 and circle this number on the top of the box. Is it clear, children? So 24 is the smallest number, first number. 24, 2 after, which is the smallest number? 2 after 3, 4. So 4 is here. 4, 5, 45 is the next smallest number. So write 2 here. Is it clear? If you circle this number, means you won't get confusion. Is it clear? Next, 2 number finished. Now 4. 4 after 5, 6. 6 is the next smallest number. So write 3 on the top of the number. Is it clear, children? And the last remaining is 9. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So 9. Here write 4 number and then circle here. After writing this one, now AO. AO means ascending order. AO means ascending order. So now here, which is the smallest number? 2, 4, 24. So write 2, 4, 24 in one box. Then keep one dot and leave one box. And next, what is the second one? 45. 4, 5, 45 is the next smallest number. Again keep one dot and leave one box. After that, 62. By seeing the top numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can arrange them in ascending order. Is it clear, children? Now another example. Don't draw lines in your book like this. Just for you, that you won't get confusion, just I am drawing here. Is it clear? Now here, just I am taking here 86, 80, 89 and 83. See now here, you are having all the first numbers same. In comparisons also, what I told you, when the first number is same, you have to see the second number. So in the same way, here also in ascending order, if the first number is same, means you have to see the second number. Is it clear? See, by seeing 86, 80, 89, 83, you can identify, oh, 80 is the smallest number. But for those who get confusion, then first you underline 8, 8, 8, 8. All the first numbers are same. When the first numbers are same, you have to see the second number. See here, second number is 6, 0, 9, 3. Now 6, 0, 9, 3. You have to see the smallest number. Now see here. 0 is the smallest number. See here, number line. 0 after 1. 1 after 2. So 0 is the number starts with 0. So 0 is the smallest number. So first 808 is the first number. So write 1 on the top of the number 80. Now 0 after 1, 2, 3. 3 here. 83, 83. 83, 83 is the second one. So after 3, after 4, 5, 6. 6 is there. So 86, 86 is the next biggest number. Is it clear? So 83 is the second number and here 86 is the third number. Then write 3 on above 86. And the last one is 89. So 89 is the fourth biggest number. Now here we are arranging the numbers in ascending order. AO ascending order. See here. What is the first one? 80. 80 is the smallest number. Then keep one dot and leave one box. Keep one dot and leave one box. Then 80 after, which is the next second biggest number? 83. 83. Again keep one dot and leave one box. And 83 after, next one is 86. And the last one, fourth one is 89. See, now we are arranging them. We have arranged them in ascending order. 80, 83, 86, 89. Is it clear, children? See, whenever you are having any doubt, please underline the first number. If you underline the first number, you can identify which is the smallest number. Then after that number, which is another number, you can identify like that. If the numbers are same, means you can see the second number. See here. Now we are taking here 3 digits. 435, one box. Again keep one dot and leave one box. See here. 724, one box. Again keep one dot and leave one box. Next 246. Again keep one dot and leave one box. And 832. So here we are having 3 digits. See, now see the first one. What is the first number? 4. Underline for 4. Here 7. Here 2. Here 8. See, all the numbers are different. They are not having the same numbers or similar numbers. Is it clear, children? So here now ascending order. Now you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So now 4, 7, 2, 8. Which is the smallest number? 2. 2 is the smallest number. So write on 246 above number 1 and circle it. Now second number. What is the second number? 2 after 3, 4. 435 is the next smallest number. So circle 2. 4 after, which is the next number? 5, 6, 7. Here 7 is there. So here write 3. And the last one is 832. Write 4 above 832. Now you can arrange by seeing the numbers. First one is 246. Keep one dot, leave one box. What is the next number? 435. Again keep one dot and leave one box. And here what is the next number? 724. Again keep one dot and leave one box. And the last one is 832. Is it clear, children? See here. 965, 921, 928, 950. Now see here. Here, what is the first number here? By directly seeing you can say which is the smallest number, means 915 you can say. But if you are having any doubt, you can do this method. See, 9, 9, 9, 9. All the first numbers are same. Then if the first numbers are same, see the second number. 6, 2, 2, 1. Is it clear, children? Here 6, 2, 2, 1. So here you are getting 2 2s and here you are getting different numbers. So when you are getting 2 2s, just see here. 1 is the smallest, 0 is the smallest number, 0 after, 1 is the next smallest number, 1 after, 2 is the next number. Is it clear, children? So here you are having 2, 2. When you are having 2, 2, both same numbers, see the third number here 1 and here 8. Out of this 1 and 8, you have to see the small number. Is it clear, children? See here, first we have to see the second number 6, 2, 2 and here it is 1. So 915 is the first number. So here 1 we have completed. But here you are having 2, 2. Then you see the third number 1 and 8. 1 and 8. 1 is the smallest number. So 921. And next 928. Here 6 and 2. 928. And the last remaining is 965. Is it clear, children? Ascending order. AO, ascending order. First one is 915. Keep one dot and leave one box. 915 after, what is the second one? 921. Then keep one dot and leave one box. 921 after 928. Then 965. Now see another example. Eight hundred and 34, 837, 831, 839. See here, 8, 8, 8, 8. All the first numbers are same. 3, 3, 3, 3. Second numbers are also same. Now see the third number 4, 7, 1, 9. So out of 4, 7, 1, 9, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So keep 1 above that number. 1 after, next 4. So keep 2 number above that number. Next 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Next number is 837. 7 after and the last remaining is 839. Keep 4 above 839. Now here you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. See what is the first one? 831. Keep one dot, leave one box. What is the second number? 834. Keep one dot and leave one box. 834 after, what is the third number? 837. And the last number is 839. Is it clear, children? So this is ascending order, arranging the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. It is called as ascending order. See, whenever you are writing in your check roll book, write the numbers in one box, then you keep one dot and leave one box, and then write the numbers like this. And when you are arranging and writing in ascending order, write here AO and arrange them in ascending order by seeing this series 1, 2, 3, which is the number here we have circled. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood. See the video and just see the PDF and do the work in the classroom book. Thank you.